Old school couponing took hours. Modern couponing takes 30 minutes and saves $100 to $300 per month. Here's the system. Sunday, spend 15 minutes on store apps and Ibotta before shopping. Shop with list, check items against app deals while in store. Submit receipts immediately after checkout. 2 minutes. Ibotta, cash back on groceries, $20 plus per month for regular shoppers. Rakuten, cash back on online purchases, 1 to 40% at major retailers. Store apps. Kroger, Target, Walmart apps have exclusive digital coupons. Sale price plus store coupon plus manufacturer coupon plus Ibotta cashback. Example, $8 shampoo sale, $5 coupon, $1 off, Ibotta $1 back equals $3. Best for household staples, health and beauty, packaged foods. Don't buy something you wouldn't buy just because it's on sale. Don't stock up more than 6 months. Storage costs money. Don't spend more than 30 minutes/week. Time is worth more than most savings. Get my couponing and savings tracker at https://funbiz.gumroad.com. If this helped you at all, please hit the like button right now. It tells YouTube this video is worth showing to more people. And subscribe and tap the notification bell so you never miss a tip. We post every Monday, Wednesday, and Friday.